Sure. So, it turns out that the round goby comes from the same donor area as the zebra mussels and the quagga mussels. The Ponto-Caspian regions, that's the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Azov Sea. And just like the zebra mussel and the quagga mussel, the round goby doesn't look very intimidating when you first see one. They're not that large. They're a small bottom-dwelling fish. A large adult round goby might be about this large, maybe 6 or 7 inches. But it turns out that round gobies just love to eat zebra mussels. Most of their diet is zebra mussels. So what happened was you had what invasion biologists call a facilitated invasion. You had one non-native species altering the environment in such a way to make it very favorable for another non-native species to invade. And the round goby ate plenty of zebra mussels, but in doing so, it took the contaminants that were concentrated in the tissue of the zebra mussel, chemicals that some of them aren't even produced today, things like PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls. The zebra mussels were able to concentrate these chemicals from the sediment, from the water column, into their own body tissues. Sometimes zebra mussels had over 300,000 times the concentration of PCBs in their tissue as in the surrounding water. And then along comes the round goby that loves to eat zebra mussels. And a single round goby may eat hundreds or thousands of zebra mussels in its lifetime, thereby accumulating and actually magnifying those contaminants that were in the zebra mussels in its own body. So it became this strange missing link in a contaminant pathway from sediment in water to non-native zebra mussel, to non-native zebra mussel eating fish that just loves to be eaten by our native fishes like our smallmouth bass and our walleye. So the round goby, one of their major problems was they created a new pathway for contaminants to move from the water and the sediment, the inorganic portions of the environment, through the food web into ultimately top predators, the fishes that we eat, and then human beings. So they became very important in contaminant spread in the Great Lakes.